How to sign in to FNBO online banking account. Now in order to do that, just simply open any of your browser in your device, then search for FNBO or FNBO bank in there. After that, you will see this first link of fnbo.com in very top. If you look a little bit downwards, you will get to see the option of online banking under there. You simply select online banking from here and you will be in this page where you will see the option of log in from the very top right of your screen. Tap to log in button and you will see the section of online banking directly. Tap to log in directly like this. And after tapping to the login button, you just simply need to enter your user ID in the very first, and after that enter your password at second. Then after entering your user ID and password correctly, tap to sign in button and you will successfully be logged in to your FNBO mobile banking account. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.